Let's create a fire in the fireplace and outdoor hearth. First you need to download the fire assets. Go to Unreal Engine Marketplace, type fire in the search. Max price free. This one, M5VFX. This asset also currently supports version 5.1 of the engine. Therefore, you must first add assets to the early version project, as I did with the trees. Add assets to the previously created project in version 5.1.1. Start the project. Assets added successfully. Open the Niagara folder, Fire for BP. Drag one of the fire templates into the scene. Now only smoke is visible. This is because of scene settings and auto exposure. The sun is too bright, so the flame is not visible. Go to the sun sky settings and lower the intensity of the directional light component. Now the flame of fire is visible. You can also increase the brightness of the fire flame so as not to change the scene settings. I'll show you how to do this a little later. Let's transfer the asset to the main project. Select on Fire BP3. Right-click, Migrate. Select the content folder in the main project directory. Get back to the project. Find the folder with the new asset. Place the fire in the scene. In my project there is no problem with the display of the flame since the brightness of the sun is reduced. Place the fire inside the fireplace. In the Details panel, change the scale to make the fire smaller. Now I need to configure the generation of fire. I don't like this smoke. Go to the asset and open the Niagara editor with a double click. First I want to remove the smoke. Turn it off in timeline. Save changes. Adjust the size of the fire so that it doesn't go beyond the fireplace. I want to adjust the brightness of the flame. Let's see how can I do this. First, I need to find the material responsible for the fire flame. Go to the material folder of the asset, Master, and open Sequence Mat. To get the ability to control the brightness of the fire, you need to add the multiply node before the emissive color chain. It will be responsible for the intensity. Now, when changing the value in slot B, the brightness of the fire flame will change. Try different values. I like 1.5. Now copy the fire to the hearth outside. Make a stone backfill using the previously used asset. To be able to change the brightness of the flame on the fly, go back to the fire material settings. Value multiply B, promote to parameter. Give it a name and set default value to 1.5. Apply changes. In the Fire Ins folder, open the material bonfire. The material instance has a parameter I created. Adjust the value for the best result. Create a folder for fire objects. Sparks are now visible that go beyond the fireplace. These sparks must be removed. Go back to the Niagara editor. Disable Blow Ember and Blow Ember 2 in timeline. Now the sparks are gone. I like the way the fire looks, so let's finish setting up.